In this video, we're going to be talking about exporting your leads or sending your leads out of this system into your own platform that you're going to be then using the program to do whatever it is that you wanted to. So once you have done your search, you've done your filters, you've found all of the people you're looking for, you've run the AI, you've got all the data that you want to. Now it's time to send all of this data across to any platform that you want it to be sent to. So what I want to do is say, okay, let's start with, I only want the ones that have got emails. Great, let's fine tune that down. I've filtered to get the ones that I want. I've got my labels there. Everything's ready to go. Say, okay, now what I want to do is select. And I can see that every time I select, I've only got the amount per page that's been selected. So I'm showing 20, I've selected 20. But I want all of them. I want to send them all to an Excel spreadsheet, or I want them all to go into my CRM program. So I tick, then I want to select all. So it's a double select. And now one of the things that's popped up here is the amount of emails that are also being selected. And if I have a look at this first result, I've got one email chosen up the top here, and it's chosen the top email or the number one email in my results. Now I can go through and manually say, actually, I want that one. I want that one. So I can multi-select as I go, but I can also change my selection up here and say, I want 2 emails per record, and it'll choose the top 2, or I want 5 emails per record, or I want all of them as an example. And then every, whether there's 10 or 20 or 5, it will select them all. And that, however many you've selected, will be sent across in your export. So I've selected, I've multi-selected, I've chosen how many emails, and now I get to send this across to either a CSV spreadsheet or one of my connected CRM platforms, including Zapier. So we've covered Zapier in our webhook video, but in this example, I'm saying, okay, great, let's send this across to a CSV file. So I'm going to say, okay, exporting to CSV. We'll bring up let's save this one. So I'll save it here, and I'll come and open this up and see what it looks like in a CSV format. And here we go. So now we've got a CSV of all of the data. We've got all of our information there, and we can do whatever we want with that. We can import it into a CRM program. We can upload it to a Facebook system, and we can export it however we want to. So now I've selected, I've multi-selected, I've chosen how many emails, and I did that to CSV. As we said, we've already talked about sending this via a webhook to Zapier, but if you've also got a CRM system connected, you can click up here and send those directly across to your CRM. Now, as we're talking about exporting to CRMs, you may also want to tag your records on the way across. So a lot of CRMs work on the tag system. And if I come back to my lists here, once I've got each individual list, I can click my right-hand dots here, and I can set up my tags and source, and I can tag these. So this might be all my, medical leads, for example. And I can set those tags. So anytime I'm sending to my CRM program, my data from this particular list, it's going to go across with that individual tag. So I select, multi-select, how many emails, and then I send to my CRM, and it's going to send with those tags connected. So hopefully that's helpful for you. This is how to select, filter, and then send to either CSV, your connected CRM, or using our previous tutorial showing how you can connect to a webhook via Zapier or Pabbly or Make Integromat and send the data into your next system to take an action with your existing leads.